Now Betaji, we come to the next topic of this, that now we are understood that we understood that we have to increase the crop yield. हमें crop yield बढ़ानी है. We have to grow more crop on the lesser area because the area is less, and we have to produce more crop to fulfillment the requirement of the increased population, Betaji. So what are the steps we have to take? First one is crop variety improvement. What is the meaning of crop variety improvement? That is, we have to choose that the better quality of seed, because the better quality of seed will grow in the good plants. This is the first step which we have to do, that crop variety improvement, that we have to grow, we have to select those type of seed which will give the good crop. Second is crop production improvement. What is the meaning of crop production improvement? The meaning of crop production improvement, that when the crop will be grow, when the seed will be grow into the plants, we have to nurture that crop plant. We have to give nourishment to the crop plant. That will come under the category of crop production improvement. We take the first point, crop variety improvement. What is the meaning of crop variety improvement? You know that I have told you that the crop varieties depend upon the seed selected by us. We have to see the various characteristics in the seeds, like the very common one, you know, that it must be disease resistant. There are two basic methods for this. The first one is selection and other is hybridization. What is the meaning of selection? Selection is very common word, that the nature select is the oldest procedure of crop improvement. Natural selection occur in nature, and when we do the artificial selection, we select the seeds of our choice which have characteristics according to our need. That is, the yield should be more, they should be disease resistant, they must be healthy, like this. So the first step is, for crop variety improvement, we have to select those seeds which will give the better yield. Second is hybridization. This is the new technique, hybridization, in which it is also called the process of crossing plants of two varieties having different traits. What is the meaning of traits? Traits mean character. What is the meaning of traits? Traits mean character. Different traits to produce a hybrid. After, suppose we are crossing two, A and B, and these two, this A plant having some characteristics, good characteristics, this B plants having some other good characteristics, and we want the characteristics of these, both of these, then what will we do? We'll do the cross, that is hybridization, and we will get the hybrid C. हमें इन दोनों को क्रॉस करने से क्या मिलेगा? हाइब्रिड सी. इस हाइब्रिड सी में किसके कैरेक्टर होंगे? द गुड कैरेक्टर ऑफ ए एंड गुड कैरेक्टर ऑफ बी. दैट इज कॉल्ड द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. So hybridization is referred to the crossing between genetically dissimilar plants. This crossing may be intervarietal, means between two different varieties, interspecific between two different species of same genus, different species of same genus. इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning? That if you are crossing the apple, species should be same. आपको A variety और B variety किसकी लेनी है? You have to take of apple. ये नहीं कि एक apple ले लेंगे और एक orange ले लेंगे और उसको cross करेंगे. So you have to remember this. We can do the crossing between two species, two different varieties, and intergeneric between different genera. So by doing this, by the hybridization, we will get the improved variety, or the hybrid which will get, it is have the characteristics of both the desired plant which we have crossed. So this is the step which we do for the crop variety improvement. We also produce the synthetic varieties for getting the good crop production or good crop yield.